Day 3 of 31 of Things You Never Knew About Navatman. Structure and improvisation is a massive part of the Indian arts field. If you're an artist yourself, you know you spend years of your life learning the rules of your field, and then you spend a good chunk of your life trying to break those rules and do things that are new and innovative. And to me, that is a microcosm of how the entire world functions. You spend your entire life learning how to understand and pay attention to directions and rules and regulations. And the difference between, I think, Indian arts, and this underlines Navatman, and other kinds of fields, other kinds of ways we're taught, is that we're taught if we follow the rules and guidelines, we will always have a good life. But that's not the case. The case is you're given rules and guidelines so you can figure out how to constantly improvise your life. And that, to me, is an incredibly important skill set that's left out of real-world application. And the big thing is we're fed sort of these two messages that if we just follow the guidelines, everything will always be all right. And that's just not true, right? It is you follow the guidelines to the best of your ability, and then you figure out how to make something work for yourself. And that second point is what Indian arts teaches you. And it's so important. And again, it underlines everything we do at Navatman. It is why we are able as an organization over the last 10 plus years to have probably produced 1,000 plus artists, 300 to 500 programs, and as well as the number of choreographies we create in any given year. And it's something that you'll see is a personality trait that we attract here at the organization. We understand that we're going to do the best of our ability given the resources that we have. But there is also a huge amount of understanding of, well, everything can change on a dime and we have to know how to figure it out. And that's also why we were as successful as we were in pivoting ourselves during the pandemic, which again, looks like we're gonna have to pivot in the next 6 months as well. So if any of this resonates with you, if any of this is something you see at Navatman and want to continue to propagate, if any of this is something you really enjoy, do consider becoming part of Navatman by contributing, taking a class, come and watch one of our productions. And today's special is our Mahabharata package. For $250, you will receive a rental of the Mahabharata, a Mahabharata tote, and a download of the original music from the album. So, see you soon.